Hello everyone, and welcome back to your favorite channel. In this video, we're going to take a look at some of the best coffee machines for 5 best coffee machines you can buy in 2023 available today. All the coffee machines product buying links are given in the video description. But first subscribe and hit the bell icon. Now let's get started. Number 5. Mr. Coffee One Touch Coffeehouse. Capacity 530 milliliters. Color gray. Special feature milk frother. Coffee maker type espresso machine. Improved design and functionality. Updated features include responsive touch user interface, progress bar, drink completion feedback, and easy serving espresso ESE pod compatibility. One touch control. Intuitive control panel for easy drink selection with the touch of a button. Single or double shots of espresso, cappuccinos, or lattes. Progress bar. Progress bar shows when machine is ready to brew and gives drink progress feedback. Automatic milk frother. Easily turn your favorite milk into a light, airy foam with the automatic milk frother. Select desired froth level and let the machine do the. Number 4. Jura D6 Automatic Coffee Machine. Color Platinum. Special feature integrated coffee grinder. Coffee maker type espresso machine. Product dimensions 9. 1D x9. 1 AUX9. 1 H. Versatility. Cappuccino, espresso, and coffee maker. Operation. Plain text display or Smart Connect app control. Customization. Adjustable water level. Coffee strength and temperature. Grinder. Fast and precise aromag to integrated grinder. Technology. Flavor optimizing pulse extraction process technology. Automatically grinds whole beans, tamps and freshly brews each cup for optimum flavor and aroma. One touch preparation. Prepares perfect coffee specialties at the touch of a button in less than 60 seconds. Programmable and adjustable. Personalized brewing strengths, volumes, and height. Adjustable coffee spout. Perfect milk foam. Produces perfectly rich milk foam for one-touch cappuccino. Cost savings. Prepares professional coffee shop beverages at a fraction of the Number 2. Philips LatteGo 5400. Capacity 1.8 liters. Color matte black and silver chrome. Special feature programmable. Coffee maker type espresso machine. Product dimensions 24. 4DX29W x 37.1 hours centimeters. Material ceramic. Filter type reusable. Style 5400 LatteGo. Specific uses for product personal, business. LatteGo creates silky smooth froth and is our fastest to clean milk system ever. Enjoy 12 delicious coffees at your fingertips. Extra shot function is perfect for the days you need something a little stronger. Aroma extract system provides the perfect temperature, aroma, and crema. 4 user profiles to save your favorite coffee settings.
Look at the setup and first use of the Barista Express. Enjoying third wave specialty coffee is made possible using the 4 keys formula found inside every Breville espresso machine, just like this one. Full-bodied espresso with rich and complex flavors is created using the ideal dose of 18 to 22 grams of freshly ground beans, with a brew water temperature delivered at precisely 200 degrees Fahrenheit, just like a commercial machine. You'll also need the right pressure during the extraction, and this time, bigger is definitely not better. We start with low pressure pre-infusion, followed by a high pressure 9-bar extraction process delivered via our 15-bar Italian pump and an overpressure valve. And last but not least, powerful steam pressure at around 260 degrees Fahrenheit is essential for creating shiny, silky microfoam that has a rich, velvety mouthfeel. Without microfoam, latte art is impossible. Right, now let's wash all the parts and accessories and dry thoroughly before use. Soak the filter in water for 5 minutes. Pop it into the filter holder and set the dial reminder date for 2 months ahead. Fit the holder snugly into the bottom of the tank and fill with cold water. Place the water tank into the machine. Fit the bean hopper into the top of the machine like this, locking it into place. Press the power button to switch the machine on. When the machine has reached the correct operating temperature, the power button light will stop flashing, and all button lights in the control panel will illuminate. The machine is now in standby mode. Now the machine is set up. You're ready to make your first coffee.